in that vacuum cleaner, I'm guessing. Is it already? Okay. Well, this is different. And as you can see, we're dressed for the beach because we're about to go for a nice kayak before this happened. I suppose I'll check if it's in here. What do you reckon it's going to be? Tree snake?
Maybe.
How do we open this thing? Watch out for your hands, huh? Oh, okay. Oh.
That slides off that.
This slides off it.
Yeah, pull that.
Pull this.
Yeah. Now keep pulling. Okay.
And then what?
And we'll
Just
just
open
rip
the
the
bag.
bag.
Jesus. Poor snake. Hope it's okay.
There it is,
Where?
at the back.
Oh, there it is. It is a tree snake, is it?
I think it's keelback.
Oh, I don't know what it is yet. It's a brown, is it?
Nah, it's a tree
Oh,
snake.
It's a whip snake.
Oh, it's a whip snake.
Little whip snake. Little yellow face whip.
Oh, he's only a baby.
Yeah. Poor little thing. Hey, you're going to the vacuum, mate. You poor little snake. Oh well. We've saved you at least. Little hatchling yellow face whip snake is what it is. Hey, poor little guy. I bet that sucked for you. Yeah. I'm just glad it's okay. I was afraid that we were gonna open it up to a dead snake, which is what I was afraid of, but they're pretty tough little buggers and he survived his trip in the vacuum. Very delicate little snake. Get him into this tub. Tempted to just pick him up and hold him, but he might nip, especially after that ordeal. I can't get this lid off now. I might need a second here. Oh, there we are. Hey, little mate, if you're right in there, we'll go let you go in a better spot. It's not a vacuum cleaner.